To fix this problem, try to search for your Facebook app. Now tap on your Facebook app for some while. Tap on the app info. Then when you get to the app info, tap on the storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. After that, go back. Tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. So as you can see, tap on it to toggle it on and make sure every show notification over here is toggled on. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So when you tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi, make sure the background data is toggled on. Go back. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Tap on the Google Play Store and tap on Facebook. When you search for Facebook, tap on it and try to update the Facebook app. So after updating your Facebook app, what you have to do lastly, after getting your latest version of Facebook, tap on your power button for some while, then you tap on restart. After that, tap on OK, and you're going to get your phone off and on automatically. So after using this command, this problem is going to be fixed when it gets on. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.